So ngayon, ang tanong nga ng the question of the hour, okay, nasaan si Saldico? Where is he?
Hindi ko pa rin alam since you asked me that last week.
Right, up
I
to now,
still don't
no.
know.
How does he communicate with you?
Phone.
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 And you don't want to track him? You
I
can
can't.
track him.
I can't.
Ah, you cannot?
I don't have that skill.
Okay.
Kasi tatawag ka sa app. Hindi ko na sasabihin sa yung app. Let's say, actually, even if you use a local line, let's say, di ba Smart ang ginagamit ko, lalabas naman doon number mo na Globe. Lalabas lang doon number mo, hindi naman lalabas ang location mo. Same thing with other apps, no? Like
Right.
Messenger doesn't
Right.
tell me. Well, Messenger will indicate the number, no? But it won't indicate your location.
But it's also convenient that you don't know.
yeah, I don't
And
want
you
to
don't
know.
want to know.
I'm curious because I'm chismoso, but as a lawyer, I don't want to know.
You don't want to know.
No.
But aren't you interested in advising him about, alam mo pare, yung bansa na yan, wag ka dyan kasi pwede kang mahuli dyan.
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
He probably has other counsel.
I hope.
Well, he's a congressman.
I
He can
hope.
research.
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Yeah.
AI lang yan. Chat GPT lang yan. Malalaman mo na. Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
And regarding his absence, well, the ombudsman saying, DOJ, yung mga iba pang mga kasama niya, mga congressman, or even Senate President Tito Soto and Blue Ribbon Committee Chair Ping Lacson na kung wala kang tinatago, bakit hindi ka bumalik?
Hindi ganun yun eh. Yan nga, ito na naman tayo na bumalik ka. We keep losing track of the fact na meron siyang medical condition. Ano? In fact, meron siyang appointment in January. I'm sure. Kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung medical records niya. Ang next appointment niya January. I think the last one was in October. So, bakit siya babalik? Anong sasagutin niya? Yung mga generic accusations? Hindi ba nakwento ko nga sa iyo nung nag-show kanong Friday ba yun? Na pinapakita nga niyo yung mob dun sa ombudsman? Kung ilagay mo siya dyan, what do you think is gonna happen to him? Di ba? Pupunitin siya ng buhay dun sa mob na yun eh.
Okay.
Bakit siya
So,
babalik? Wala pa namang accusation.
So palagay po ninyo, ito ay parang threat to his life.
Oh yeah, takot na
Pero wala
takot
pa
siya.
namang mga tumatawag. Or how credible are those death threats?
Nafe-feel niya eh. Nafe-feel niya eh. Kasi ang feeling niya, for example, sinusundan-sundan siya. Di ba? Ako mismo, natatakot din ako kuminsan eh. And wala naman ako nakikita. It's my imagination. But fear is subjective eh. Who's gonna say na wala ka? And there is no Richter scale. Richter scale for fear. Hindi natin pwede sabihin level ng intensity 1 lang yung fear ko versus intensity 9 yung fear niya. Di ba?
Ano ba ang
It's
sakit
hard.
ni Ginoong ko?
Meron siyang cardiac and a few others.
Oh,
Meron siyang
okay.
cardiac problems.
But not enough to make him immobile.
No. Not at all.
He just needs all these checkups or something.
Yes. At saka tests.
Wala po kayong inaasahang petsa? May timeline po ba kayo? Kailan siya magpapakita dito? If at all?
Wala.
A lot of people are saying hindi na babalik yan. Is that reasonable to suspect?
It's not an unfair suspicion, pero again, we can't act on suspicion and speculation eh. Wala naman siyang, as far as I know, wala naman siyang second citizenship. So,
How can you prolong being away? Kung paso na yung iyong ano?
you can
Kung paso
extend. I know sa
you can
US.
extend.
Oh, sa US, I know you can extend and extend. Di ba?
Oh, okay.
Up to a year yata. Or
And
18,
then you can
18
just
months.
transfer countries.
Sure.
Parang ganon.
Sure.
Okay. So, wala pang mga official charges
Na natatanggap.
na natatanggap.
Yes.
And that is legally speaking.
Yes.
But the summons for him to appear in the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing is political.
Well, it's a political process. So,
And he's not a politician. I mean, he resigned as a congressman.
yeah. Well, I don't mean it that way. I mean, it's not a judicial process.
Para lang malinaw po kung ano yung legal at ano yung sa politika, no? Or a political
Well, may
process.
legality din yung Senate summons, ano? Kasi nga, they have the power to issue a warrant of arrest kung hindi ka sumunod. Pero wala pa tayo dun eh, dahil hindi pa nga natatanggap. In fact, pinatanong namin last night kung merong summons na natanggap. Wala naman daw.
Wala namang
subpoena,
warrant. Wala pang warrant of arrest.
Not that I know of. I'd be really, really shocked kung merong warrant of arrest. Kasi,
Because?
wala. Ang warrant of arrest will only issue pag may kaso na in court na kriminal. Wala ang kaso na criminal in court unless nag-preliminary investigation. Wala naman kaming natatanggap na subpoena to file a counter affidavit. May narinig ako sa TV na meron na raw subpoena pero hindi ko pa nakikita.
Okay, and you say that kahit may subpoena, kung hindi naman niya matatanggap ng personal, wala ring effect.
Well, hindi. Kung criminal case, under the rules of court and the rules of the ombudsman, depende kung saan nila final, kung hindi mag-file ng counter affidavit yung respondent, pwede sila mag-desisyon on the basis of the complainant's evidence. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung complainant.
Okay.
Can't be the ICI because I doubt kung under oath yung report na yun. Ang
Right.
complaint has to be under oath eh. Susumpa ka sa fiscal
Can
yan.
it be the contractor?
Pwede, pero hindi ba co-accused siya? Yung mga nag-confess?
Yes.
Paano sila magko-complain eh? Sila yung principal na akusado.
Sila yung nagbigay.
Correct.
Kumbaga sila yung nagbigay.
At saka umamin sila eh.
Oo.
So, principal accused sila. Di ko nga alam. Kung totoo lang yun naririnig ko na chismis na naging state witness na raw sila. Paano nangyari yun? Eh, sila yung umamin na ginawa nila yung krimen. Paano sila naging state witness?
Well, people will always ask, bakit naman magsisinungaling ang mga kontraktor at idadawit pa yon? I guess, to answer my own question, iniisip ko, well, pwede ka magtanong na magtanong, pero kung hindi mo mapapatunayan, wala, hanggang tanong ka na lang. Siguro
Sure.
ganon.
Sure. Saka naghahanap ng kadamay. Yung naririnig ko yung mga contractor na, walang contractor na nagdamay kay representative ko. Meron ba? Ang naririnig ko lang na nagtetestigo yung mga DE, DPWH, yung mga district engineer, sabi nila, para sa kanya daw. We can't act on the basis of...
Deliver 50 million at a time.
Yeah, kasi hindi lang hearsay, speculation pa. Kasi sinabi lang niya, and daw. So, ang assumption niya, binigay daw. Hindi pwede, hindi ba?
Ayun. Okay. So, have you had like a one-on-one with the ombudsman already?
No.
They
no reason
don't
to.
call for you?
No. They have no reason to. Sino ba naman ako?
Oh, you're the legal counsel. I mean, you're the representative in these matters.
Yeah, but like I said, I can't receive subpoena.
Okay.
Mahalin mo!